There's something I do not like about your presidency though. There's something I do not like about you being Mr. President and Madam being Madam First Lady. I think it's the fact that I miss years ago just texting to say, Bonged Lisa, please send me Ilocos Bagnet. You never fail to do that. Mr. President, this is for you. Madam First Lady, this is for you, especially the first song. This is what you requested for. I'm happy to be here, sir. And sir, I have only one Vice President there. My date tonight. Mali your choice, no? Sorry. Okay, let's move on. Basta, Mr. President, you have my support. I will pray for you. I will pray for the country. I will pray that before we all judge you, that you are allowed to do your job for all of us. And we pray for good health, peace of mind from all the fake news, all the disinformation. May God be with you every single day, Mr. President and Madam First Lady. Naging Vice President na si Madam First Lady. No, but that's my Vice President, my date.